A quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, and hopefully it's useful to someone on here. So the problem going to be attempted today is 1281, so the product and sum of integers of an integer, or product and sum of digits of an integer. So given an integer n, return the difference between the product digits of its digits and the sum of its digits. So the product would be 2 times 3 times 4, which is 24. Then if you do 2 plus 3 plus 4, that's 9. 24 minus 9 is 15. So one constraint is between 1 and 10 to the power of 5, which we don't need to worry about, really. So just going to switch over to my notes. So ideas, just need to iterate over once, iterate over digits of n twice. Once for calculating sum. In fact, no, you could probably just do this once. Uh, and then return as a, what is it, the sum minus the product? Yeah. Return sum minus product. So let's try this. Okay, so we're going to do for digit and n. First of all, I'm just going to try printing each of the digits. So I'm not sure if it actually works. Can you index into an integer like that? No. For digit n, need to convert it to a string first, I think. Okay, and then we need to do print int digit. Okay, so it does print it. So what we're going to have to do is each time we're going to do that, each time we go around, what we're going to have to do is product times equals yep, the current digit, and then sum is going to be plus equal int digit, and then we're going to return product minus sum, and then they will both need to be initialized to 0 as well, or to 1, sorry, or the product need to be set to 1 because anything times 0 is 0, and then sum is going to be equal to 0. I'm just going to do sum underscore val because I think sum's a keyword. There we go. Let's try this. And so that passed. Let's submit. There we go. Passed. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way. If you had any other solution to this that was maybe a bit more efficient or just a different way of doing it, please leave a comment below. I love discussing these problems. And yep, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.